Namaskar, welcome to BST News. I'm Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State. Now let us have a look on headlines. 3-day State Membership Growth Coordinators Training of Bharat Scouts and Guides was held at National Headquarters, New Delhi. Workshop on Free Being Me and Action on Body Confidence was organized by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Members of Eastern Regional States are completing the Tide Turners Plastic Challenge online. Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides successfully completed 18th State Jamboree Basic Course of Faror Scout Leaders and Ranger Leaders was conducted at Assam State. Meeting of State Training Team was organized by Meghalaya State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Workshop on Fundamental of Scouting organized at Kangra, Himachal Pradesh. Special National Youth Adventure Program conducted at Manali, Himachal Pradesh. News in brief. A 3-day State Membership Growth Coordinators Training of Bharat Scouts and Guides was conducted from 23rd to 25th March 2021 at the National Headquarters, Lakshmi Mazumdar Bhavan 16, Mahatma Gandhi Marg, IP Estate, New Delhi. 18 participants from 18 different states of country, including regional and national staff of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, took part in the training and discussed about the membership growth to achieve the national target in details.
Hello everyone, my name is Benha Mario Malfang. I am the State Organizing Commissioner for Scouts from Meghalaya. I am here to highlight about the workshop. As you can see here, the State Membership Growth Coordinators Training, which started yesterday. So I am here to highlight yesterday's and today's event. First, yesterday we had an introduction. We had a very nice ice-breaking game. We had a group formation. We also had general information because during this COVID time.
State Commissioner Headquarters from West Bengal. On 22nd March, I came to participate in the State Coordinator Workshop for Membership Growth. Really, it's a fascinating workshop is going on. I'm thankful to National Headquarters as well as my State Headquarters to allow me to participate in the workshop. We learned a lot from national leaders and from APR also, Prasanna sir, Mr. Godan and from Mr. Parampalani. We understand about the 7 key ingredients of membership growth.
This is Anamika, State Organizing Commissioner Guide and State Growth Coordinator of Odisha State. First of all, I would like to extend my heartiest thanks to the Chief National Commissioner who has permitted this training camp for the state coordinators. Then I will like to thank my State Chief Commissioner who has deputed me to attend this workshop. About this workshop, it is my view, we have came with a lot of objectives which 90% we have achieved.
S. Prasanna Srivastava, Director, Organizational Development and MOP, APR WOSM Mr. Parampalani, Consultant, APR WOSM Mr. Puran, Growth Manager, WOSM, and Shri Madhusudan AS, International Commissioner of Bharat Scouts and Guides, were the resource speakers who led the sessions on different topics related to state membership growth during these 3 days of training program. Free Being Me and Action on Body Confidence is a program developed by WAGS to develop and help build the self-confidence of young people. State-level workshop on Free Being Me and Action on Body Confidence was successfully conducted by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides and Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides from 22nd to 24th March 2021 and 24th to 26th March 2021 at Ranchi and Guleshapur respectively. Members of Bihar, East Central Railway, East Coast Railway, Eastern Railway, Southeastern Railway, Jharkhand, Odisha, and West Bengal are completing the online challenges of Tide Turners Plastic Challenge in www.tideturners.org platform, and they are flaunting their e-certificates throughout social media. Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides successfully organized its 18th State Jamboree from 18th to 22nd March 2021 at Bhavni, Khordha, in which more than 500 participants participated. The Jamboree was inaugurated by Mr. Jyotindranath Mitra, MLA, Khordha, in the glorious presence of Justice Manoranjan Mohanty, President of Odisha, Dr. Kali Prasad Mishra, National Vice President, and the State Chief Commissioner, Odisha, and other state officials. During the program, debate competition, Rangoli competition, folk dance competition, adventure, etc. activities were organized. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam State has conducted one number of basic course for rover leader and one number of basic course for ranger leaders at state headquarters. On Bazaar, Assam from 15th to 21st March 2021, 12 candidates from Assam and Tripura State attended the basic course for rover leader and 8 candidates from Assam State attended the basic course for ranger leader. The course was conducted under the leadership of Mr. Ranajit Basu, LT Rovers, and Mrs. Padma Guha Agarwal, ALT Guide of Assam State. The meeting of the state training team for Scout Wing of Meghalaya State Bharat Scouts and Guides was held on 19th March 2021 to review the situation of adult leaders in the state and to brief the trainers about the position and role of the trainers. The meeting was conducted under the leadership of Mr. Idor Rangasai, STC Scouts of Meghalaya State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Himachal Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a workshop on fundamentals of scouting on 20th March 2021 in Kangra district with the help of newly registered group of DAV Public College. Himachal Pradesh, the Bharat Scouts and Guides started Corona awareness campaign in Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh. Painting competition was organized by Bharat Scouts and Guides Himachal Pradesh in Shimla on 22nd March 2021 on the occasion of World Water Day. 2 days beginners course was organized by Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides in Sisra district on 19th to 20th March 2021 in which 461 participants participated. Rajya Puraskar Tritiya Sofan testing camps were conducted at Tadikonda Regional Training Center, Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh from 20th to 24th March 2021. On the occasion of Azadi Ka Amritotsav, 75 years of independence, the officials of Jagitial district of Telangana state conducted Freedom Run. Free Being Me and Action on Body Confidence workshop was held at district headquarters Mahabubnagar from 22nd March 2021 to 24th March 2021. The SPL National Youth Adventure Program was conducted at Manali, Himachal Pradesh from 17th to 21st March 2021, in which 32 candidates participated from Uttar Pradesh, Northern Railway, Himachal Pradesh, Telangana, and Uttarakhand state. All the participants enjoyed the trekking to Parsha Fall Trek, Hadimba Temple, rock climbing, rappelling, obstacle zip line, etc. Participants also visited Sishu and Atal tunnels. Mr. Dhanraj Saini, Office Secretary cum Junior Instructor, NYC, was the leader of the program, assisted by Instructor Mr. Devraj and Mrs. Ashu from Himachal Pradesh. Forthcoming events and programs. 3rd National Adventure Institute of Bharat Scouts and Guides, India started functioning at Darjeeling from 15th March 2021. The first program is going to be held from 5th April 2021. The venue of National Youth Forum for Rovers and Rangers from 26th to 30th April 2021 has been changed. Now the event will be organized at Education Hub, Sayahimdi Cobra instead of ITI Chorbati Gopalpur, Korba district, Chhattisgarh state. For details, refer NHQ Circular number 21 32nd Asia Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree 2021 from 11th December to 19th December 2021, Teknaf, Cox Bazar, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Last date is 30th April 2021. Contact your respective state for participation. Quota is limited. This is all for today's news. On behalf of Bharat Scouts and Guides organization, I request all the viewers of this channel to stay safe from second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. This is Jayashita from Telangana State signing off. Thank you.